Alright guys, good Noel here, and this is the part 2 of the products videos that I've been dropping. So we already have the part 1 of the top 5 products that you can sell and start making profits almost immediately. So if you've not watched that one, you can go and watch it. Alright, so I'll put it in the description of this video or at the top of this video. So my name is Good Noel, and I make videos like this. So if you like videos about e-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, and all of that good stuff, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright? And once you're subscribed, you turn on the post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you'll be the first person to know. Alright, so now let's continue with our e-commerce product. So I don't want to waste much time in this video, so I'm just going to call out the product. I'll show you the product, what they do, and why you should sell them. So it's up to you to want to sell them or not. Now the first thing we have here is the Kaya mini tire inflector, digital mini tire inflector. So I'm just going to come to my Facebook. I'm going to use Facebook to do this research so that it will be easy for us. So I just come here and I'll type digital mini car tire inflator. All right. So this is just a mini inflector. They use it to pump tires. I think somebody already has. Is this it? No, that's not it. Okay, but has an air compressor. Let's check for video and see if we can find what we're looking for. Okay, so this is what we are actually looking for, but not this exact one. I think this one should do. Let me open this one. All right, so let me play this video so you see what I'm talking about and what it does. Okay, so this is what it does. This is a car tire inflector. It's a very small one. All right, so you can use it to pump your tires, your car tires. So this is very important for car owners, especially in this period when people are traveling a lot. So a lot of people will be on the road. So they need stuffs like this. They need handy tools like this. So in a very short period, that thing will help you pump your tires. All right. Currently, to pump just one tire is around 500 to 1,000 naira, depending on your location, though. So a lot of car owners would be needing that. There's this particular one I wanted us to see, but I can't find it here. But this is the idea, something like this. All right, so they are portable, they are useful, and they are actually easy to sell. They are actually very easy to sell because they solve a very important problem to car owners. And you know, people who own cars, they actually love their cars, and they'll do a lot of things to keep their cars in very good condition. So that's the number one. So you can sell a mini car pump. Let me see if typing a mini car tire pump will give us a better result. All right, let's use pump and see if it does. So there are different categories of them. So you just find one, create your advert, and begin to sell, because as a matter of fact, there's no time. So you just start selling. This is another method. Let's play this one and see. So as you can see, it's very portable. They just hold it like this and you just press it. Easy. That's all. So that's the first product. So you can buy that one and start selling. Alright, number two is this one is pretty common, water filter. All right, So let's look at the videos. You know why people need water filters? Of course, because generally we do not have very clean waters, and you know water is a very important part of the human existence, so people need clean water. So you can sell them water filters to help them get clean waters in their houses. So you know what the water filter does? It helps you filter the water straight to the point. This one is actually important and very easy to fix because it doesn't require a lot of installation and all of that, and it pretty does the job. Let's look at one video. This is one video. Let me turn it off. So this is the water without the filter. Alright, so this guy is going to connect the filter. This guy is going to connect the filter, and you see what will happen. So I'm just going to forward this video to where he connects the filter because I don't want this very video to be long. So that's him fixing the filter. Alright, so that's the water purifier or the water filter. So it has two outlets where the water can come from, or if you want it to come from the filtered one or not. Alright, so now if you want it to come from the filtered one, that's where it comes from. Alright, so it's going to let the water run, so you see the difference between this one and the filtered one. So this is a good product because it solves a problem for people, a very important problem. Alright, a very important problem. Okay, so this is the one that wasn't filtered or that isn't filtered, and now he's going to on the one that's filtered now. So that's the one that is filtered. So you can see the difference between it and the one that wasn't filtered. Alright, so this will help a lot of homes, especially in Nigeria. You know, in this country we don't have good anything. Alright, so this will solve problems for people. So you can start selling it. You can see the differences here. Alright, you can start selling it. So that's the product number 2. This is an evergreen product, and it will continuously sell as long as you know what you are doing with your adverts. Alright, so number 3, let's go to a car kit jacket. Car kit jacket. Car jack kit. So this one too is for car owners. Alright, why we are looking at cars is because these guys, they like their cars more than they even like human beings. So they will do a lot of things for their cars. So this is what we are looking for: automatic car jack. Alright, so you see what it does. It's automatic. Again, people are traveling a lot this period, and it will come handy for them. So instead of you coming to be pressing, you know how they do that, holding this jack, you see, it's automatic. It just helps you lift the car. So of course, you know, it solves an important problem, and you should look at selling this one. So now let's go to the 4th one. The 4th one is an electric cooking pot. Electric cooking pot. I know you've been wondering, how can I make video without putting anything from the kitchen? Because food is life. So this is what we are looking for: electric cooking pots. Alright, let's look at the videos. So this one is like it says, it's an electric cooking pot, so people can cook with an electric pot. Alright, so let's see what this one will do. So as you can see, it has 2 sets or 2 layers, so you cook with them, you wash it clean, boom, and you are ready to go. Alright, so that's our product number 4, or is it 5, or is that the 5th one? So that's the product number 5. Yes, so you can start selling these products almost immediately. These products, they are evergreen, they are always selling, and you make a lot of profit selling them. So I hope you like this video. I hope you do. If you do, you should give me a thumbs up, and Watch out for the next video.